Hi, I'm Crawford, founder and CEO of Vaporio. Yeah, so post 5G Edge, what I normally try and get across is the fact that 4G, which generationally has progressed as a consumer technology, I think pivots, and 5G is really more of an enterprise, more of a resource for the new economy companies and the MNOs, the mobile network operators, to enable new experiences that will be required to exist in both an internet and a decentralized data center footprint that solves for extremely low latency applications, extreme amounts of edge ingest, data ingress, data egress, et cetera. And I firmly believe that we are witnessing probably a huge transformation in the data center ecosystem, very much as we did a few years ago when the co-location companies were questioning cloud, and now clouds are questioning data gravity, data proximity, data velocity, et cetera. I believe that the post 5G Edge brings with it a paradigm shift in how we build, manage, and operate decentralized data centers. You can't take a large data center today, shrink it down into a box and call that an edge data center. Those don't work. I believe everything from security to remote hands to smart hands to the autonomy of data centers changes. You think about things like edge security. You think about smart hands functions. You don't have a contracted smart hands person sitting at a desk very near the white floor space at the edge, where you are perhaps 40, 50 miles from your nearest edge points of presence. All of a sudden, everything changes, right? The scheduling changes, authentication, authorization profiles change. So I definitely believe that we'll have to sort of rethink how we both service and operate physically and logically the footprint that exists today. This is the second year in Old Billingsgate, and so far so good. We heard Suresh Kumar open it up with some really interesting data. Again, data being gold, if you believe, right? Data is the new oil. This is where the magic happens. I think in context of these types of events, very much like the edge, which I call a snowflake. The edge being a snowflake, snowflakes fall from clouds. They're all unique, they're all different. They're still part of that cloud, they're just much closer to you. And events like this, I think, are similar in that a lot of folks are here to connect one-on-one for meetings. A lot of folks are here to learn about some of the trends and changes that are coming. So I believe that everything from the plenaries, the big ideas at the end of the event, as well as the one-on-ones, understanding how the vendors are changing with this rapidly changing environment that we're seeing, all very good in context of learning, meeting, getting educated, and doing business. We don't seem to value commodities as much as we value, sort of, as we do in the edge, the high touch, high cost, high performance. Right? It took money for a lot of people to get here. Obviously we're in London and I'm from the US, so it took planes and hotels and cabs, and it takes time, but those high touch, high value experiences, I think, are what we crave as human beings. So I don't want to get too meta here, but again, George opened up the conference with, don't trust robots. Clearly, it's humans that still power the need for why we create technology, and this is where we learn and connect and build the future.